So I'm a senior here at UW-Madison studying journalism, and I saw this internship advertised on my job board at the university. And it looked really interesting because it wasn't your typical media internship. This was more focused on the city side, the government side, and how the government relays information to the media. Now, this is important because as a journalist, we kind of have like a one-sided view of how the media works. We always are the ones requesting information from city workers, but being a city worker now, I now understand what we have to do to give information to the media.
Some of the things that you'll get to do when you apply for this internship and are accepted for this internship, you get to write a newsletter that goes out to every city resident, a great resume builder. You get incredible networking opportunities. I plug you in with as many people as I can at the city or in the media, depending on your interests and what you want out of this.
One of the big things I've learned too is about networking and relationships. Here in this position, relationships are everything because you're always asking for information from other people, and you really want to make sure that you're on good terms with everyone so everything works out smoothly. To tour Wisconsin State Journal, saw how the press room worked, and we got to see the newspapers being printed, which was very interesting. And then we also toured the local ABC station, and we went to the NBC morning show. We woke up at 3 a.m., got there at 4 a.m., and got to see the whole behind-the-scenes process.
From a media perspective, it's incredibly integral to everything that you do in the media. So if you're trying to be a reporter, a producer, anchor, anything along those lines, understanding how it all works inside local government is an amazing skill set and understanding that you can bring to any newsroom. Local government officials are always looking for clarity in the news media, and news media is always looking for clarity from our local government officials. So if you can understand both sides, that's what you get out of this internship, and that makes you an incredible asset to any employer after this.
For this internship, I had no idea completely what city engineering entailed, but I've learned everything from how the sewer system operates to how they're maintained, to the city map that's maintained regularly. There's a lot of things that go into city engineering that most people take for granted or don't really know about. Before, I was really only interested in working in the media, whether that's TV or the regular newspaper, but I opened myself up by applying to a government position, and I found out that city engineering is a very complex and huge department that's responsible for so many things, and I learned that I can be interested in more things than just traditional media.
The biggest thing about this internship is we really want to make sure that you leave here well-rounded with a clear understanding of local government paired with communications and media relations.
This internship has been an amazing adventure. I definitely recommend it to anyone who wants to gain experience working in communications. Through this internship, you'll be networking with many professionals who may end up offering you an internship or any position down the line. So it's very valuable.
In this internship, it's not really about knowing exactly what you want to do, but getting closer to what you want to do. I think that's the beauty of internships, is you get to grind through some situations that you might not have grinded through before, and hopefully it gets you closer to your personal goals and professional goals by the end of it.